Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily open a Lloyds Bank account in UK. So first is head over to llydsbank.com. You can access their website both even when you're using your phone or your PC. So once you're in the website, just scroll down until you see products and services. From here, just click on current accounts. And if we scroll down from this page, we can see different variations of their current accounts. They offer classic account, Club Lloyds Silver, Club Lloyds Platinum, Silver, and Platinum. You can also avail just a basic account. So that will vary depending on what you need. Say for example, we're just going to choose the classic one. Then from here, just click on Ready to Apply. So if you're a new customer and you're just going to open a new account, you can easily just click on Open New Current Account. But if you already have an account or you're already an existing customer, you can just log in to your current account. So from here, we're just going to choose Open New Current Account. So from here, we're just going to choose Open New Current Account. So from here, we're just going to choose Apply for an account on our website. So from here, you're just going to pick the answer that best suits your description. And from here, all you have to do is fill in all the needed information about you. Then once you're done, just click on next. So that's how you can easily open an account on Lloyds Bank online. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!